This is Kelly's Homevalue, North Strand, Dublin 3.
Hi, my name is John Gagan. I'm one of the managers here at Gerard Kelly's Homevalue.
Kelly's is an Irish family-owned DIY store and builders providers located in North Strand, in the heart of Dublin City, just a 5-minute walk from Croke Park.
A good day is where everything falls into place, where we get our orders, we have it in stock, we're able to get it out, makes things run really, really smooth.
Established in 1946 as Gerard Kelly & Co., we have 19 staff members who have a wealth of knowledge in the DIY and construction industry.
We've been in the community here in the North Strand, Ballybock area. It's a 4th generation family-run business.
For tool hire, contact our sister company GK Hire, located in East Wall and Cookstown.
Our range of products would entail timber, sheeting, sheet material, thermal boards for insulation, fiberglass, earth wool, rock wool. We pretty much stock everything from floor to ceiling.
If you're serious about construction, then come and talk to us. We're known throughout the area for our heavy build, quality products and expert dedication to our customers.
What makes me happy? Getting up early and getting into work. Dealing with customers face to face, taking the calls, being able to deal with customers from start to finish, understanding what their requirements are, what they need, what they want, help them to get to that place.
Kelly's is a member of Ireland's leading buying group, United Hardware.
We'd be well known for our range of timber, so we would have all sorts of treated timber, fence panels, anything you would need for basically your gardening, concrete products, any heads, sills.
In our heating and plumbing department, we stock everything you need, including water pipes, sewer fittings, drainage, timers, controllers, radiators and heating tanks.
We pride ourselves on not just being able to supply the building products, but to have the staff that have the knowledge to point you in the right direction to what you need.
And in our paint department, we have interior and exterior paints from all the best brands, including Dulux, Fleetwood, Homevalue, Ronseal, Hammerite, Leuve, Sandtex and Triflo, as well as yacht varnish, wood stain and specialised weatherproofing.
We also employ many staff from the local areas, and a lot of our staff have been here for many, many years, like myself. We also have members of staff from China, from Lithuania, Slovakia, Romania, so it makes our job a lot easier, as we have, people here that can speak these languages as well as English.
Hello， 大家好，这里是 Kelly's Homevalue， 我们经营各类五金、建筑、装饰材料。
Príďte do Kelly's Homevalue po všetko, čo potrebujete na vašu stavbu, záhradu a kutilstvo.
Bună tuturor românilor! Mă numesc Laura, vă aștept cu mare drag la Kelly's Homevalue. Suntem bazați în North Strand, Dublin 3. Avem produse variate pentru proiecte mici sau mari. Dispunem de o gamă variată de produse, servicii excelente și dispunem de livrări la domiciliu. Vă așteptăm cu drag!
We stock doors and floors, tiling, roofing, screws, nails and fixings, sealants and adhesives.
We're located very close to Croke Park. It's less than 500 or 600 metres from where we are actually based. So a lot of our staff and customers support our local GAA. So up the dubs.
So for all your heavy build, concrete, timber and construction needs, come to Kelly's Homevalue. We've been part of the community for 4 generations and today we're here for you. Guaranteed Irish. This year is Kelly's 75th anniversary in business. Kelly's Homevalue, North Strand, Dublin 3. Homevalue, stores nationwide, all across Ireland.